Welcome to Module 7, the Launch Guide. This guide will give you all of the tools and the knowledge that you need to successfully launch your business to Elite. Now, Elite is our foundational rank in the doTERRA business. All of our leadership ranks are based on the Elite team. So for example, for you to hit Silver, which I know you all can and all will, you require to have 3 Elite teams in your organization. Then when you're ready to step up to Diamond, you will be looking at 12 Elite teams in your organization. So it's extremely critical that we provide you with those tools and that support to get you there. And the good news is the Aura Leaders community have it for you, all at your fingertips. So what we will be doing is we have a program in place called the Aura Leaders Academy, which is a 6-week program that will now take you through this all-important launch guide and the processes and the strategies and the action that is needed in order to be successful. So I look forward to seeing you all in this next program, and enjoy the process.